I'm your motivated loan officer for life, Uzi M. Kohen, better known as Uzi. In most cases, people either rent or they are buying a home. Now, if you're in a situation where you are renting, you may seriously want to reconsider the rental and consider actually buying a home. The reason I tell you this is because as you pay rent, you lose that money. You don't get any return on that investment. However, if you have a mortgage and you are buying a home, you have an asset that you are buying into, and ultimately that asset will increase in equity and it will increase in value. And if you want to, you can actually borrow against it. In other words, if you have a home, you also can tap into that equity and you can use it for a list of reasons. For example, you may need it to pay for college. You may need it for other expenses, for example, to reduce credit card debt or a car payment. I can go on and on and on. I think you get my point. But the bottom line is with any of these processes, you may want to plan. And I want to offer you an opportunity right here and only here where you can get an opportunity to have a copy of my book free. Home Loans Made Simple. You can't buy this anywhere. No one can give it to you. Only me and through this link. So I want to give you an opportunity. Use the link below to obtain a copy of my book free, Home Loans Made Simple by Uzi Kohen. Thank you.